Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze or unfreeze your RedotPay card. So first of all, you just have to simply launch your RedotPay application. Now over here on the home page itself, you just have to tap on the option of card. Over here, you are going to see the list of all of your cards that you have, whether it is a virtual card or a physical card. So you need to select that particular card which you want to freeze or unfreeze. Now, if you don't have any card yet, or if you haven't created your account on Red.Pay yet, you can just simply use the link that is given in the description in order to sign up, and you are going to get $5 welcome bonus absolutely for free. Plus, I've shared some of the coupon codes as well that you can apply in order to basically get 20% off either on the virtual card or the physical card. Now over here on the home page itself, in the card section, you are going to see this freeze option. As soon as you tap on the option of freeze, your Red.Pay card is going to be freezed. Now apart from freeze, when your card is basically freeze, you are going to see the unfreeze option. Then when you tap on the unfreeze option, your card is going to be unfreezed. So it is as simple as that. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.